What is going on, you guys? Cook for some crumble here from the video from Danish Display, and I'm back with another review on my toys. And today I've got two books to show you. So I'm gonna. This does kind of float, but not. Yeah, it's going down the overflow. It's good. Ooh. Let's get with this up on the right hand side because it's dodgy. Now this is a ski jet, a very bad looking ski jet, and this is a fireboat. I think it's an American fireboat. It doesn't look like UK very much, does it, guys? No, I don't like that, but you see the top here, guys, it's a bit so after this I'm going to want to wash them off, guys, because I don't. Guessing it's a fireboat, guy. I don't know. I never see a fireboat, so I wouldn't know what American one looks like. This is definitely a ski jet. This actually came with the police one. And it's called my phone X Game. And it's called Sea Do and X Games, I think. Comment in the comment section below what X Games is. I'm guessing it's a video game thing. What does this say on it, guy? It's got the pinstripes on it. And on the top you can just see the little spotlight thing. So when they're out on duty, normally on sea, use that black spotlight thing to search for people in need of assistance. Man down, quarter minute. The wall's not looking. It was very dirty from the fucking tap. Because there are bits in the sink coming from this tap. I don't like that. One bit. Anyway, guys, X Games it is, guys. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop this thing.